You see this drink, I love it a lot. Even beyond what is working for. Some people do like bitter, abi, same or bitter lemon. Me, I love it. I love it actually. So beyond taking it as a drink, it has so many benefits in it. So this is, let me say, the concentrate they use, because I know that all these people, they don't really use the real fruits. They use concentrate. The concentrate they used for making this is lemon, and lemon is a very very good fruit. Is it a fruit? I don't know. It's a very good fruit for what? For flat tummy, to burn your belly fat. Very very good. Do you know how I found about this is that I get the normal lemon, sorry, lime. Lime and lemon, they are the same thing. I get the normal lime, but when I get it, of course I'm definitely going to be using it every day, right? When I get it, it gets spots. So instead of going through that stress of squeezing, of drinking, of everything, so I found this baby. I found this baby. So if you're trying to burn your fat, burn the fat in your belly, guys, you should know that there's it's water that I put inside though. I've drank the stuff inside. So if you're trying to burn your belly fat, you can go with this. Or if you're someone that you have fridge, I don't have fridge, so I can't be get those things. They are perishable and they can just get spoiled. So this can be substituted with what? With lemon or lime. I think that lemon is actually, no, lime is dominates is it dominates Nigeria, but some places lemon. So if you're trying to have a flat tummy, tiny waist, oh my god, look no further. This is the best regimen or something you can use for it. And the best time to use it is actually use it in the morning. Use it in the morning. Just squeeze. You can just drink half of this in the morning. Please use it very, don't, I know some people wake up 11. I know some people wake up 11, 12. Please use it as early as possible at 7, so that it can work effectively for you. That is just it. And also, please actually note that lemon is what is acidic. Of course, we need, as like, even though it's acidic, we need acid, but when it's now getting too much, it works effectively. So little is actually enough. On health, we are ladies and we are prone to anything that can give us stomach ache and all. And you don't want something like that. Of course, this one is actually better because this is a concentrate. It is not the real lime or lemon. But if you are taking the fruit, if you are taking it, please be careful of how you take it into your body. Just be mindful of that. I can this one, even I even use it for my mouth, for the taste, to just clear the taste from my mouth. So it is actually very very good. If you're trying to burn your fat, even your arm fat. Some people have fat here, like this place is just too big for them and they want to clear it. Look no further. This is actually the best regimen, routine, no, not routine, ingredients or soft drink that you can use for that, and you are good to go within 7 days. Within 7 days, bet you, trust me, you are going to start seeing results, and the result is incredible. Lemon is a good ingredient to remove belly fat. To remove belly fat, like I said, use it in the morning. Please don't use it, you don't have to use it 2 times. Nobody should, don't use it 2 times, please. Just use it in the morning every day. Every day. But please measure the amount, the quantity you are going to take in into your body to avoid ish. And also you can also avoid it to maybe some days to your menstrual, to your monthly flow. You can just avoid some days and start using it back when you are done. If you are someone like me that has stomach ache and anything that can give me stomach ache, like I don't eat banana, I don't eat beans. No, I eat, but when it's moving close, there are some things I have avoid to not to have story that touches the heart. Sure, you get me. So if you are just like me like that, just avoid it. Maybe like 5 days to your monthly flow to avoid story that touches the head. So that is just it. So please, if you watched this video to this moment and you're not subscribed, please, I'm begging you, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. If you don't know me, my name is Mary, and all what I do on this channel is to talk about skin and hair care. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I want to see you in my next video. Bye.